Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to wish in Genshin Impact. In Genshin Impact, wishing is the gacha system used to obtain new characters and weapons. You spend Primogems or fate items to try your luck at getting rare items. First of all, launch open the Genshin Impact application on a device, and while you are in the game, tap on the Paimon icon at the top left corner. Now, go ahead and look for an option that says Wish in the expanded menu. This will open the banner selection screen. Choose the banner from Novice Wishes, Character Event Wish 2, Weapon Event Wish, or Standard Wish. Select any one wished banner, and then, in order to wish, you will need Primogems, Intertwined Fate, or Acquaint Fate to wish. Select the wish option from the bottom menu, but you will need gems in order to make a wish. To summon once, tap on the single wish. If you don't have crystals for that, you will need to purchase. You will need Intertwined Fate, which you can purchase with Primogem. Tap on top up crystals and follow through the instructions. Choose from the package that you want to top up from. You can also tap on the 10-time wish for 10 pulls. Confirm your selection and the animation will play showing what you get. And that's how you can easily make a wish on Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.